So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw realistic sketches online for free without actually using any software or without paying anything. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for sketchpad.app. You can see the right URL over here. If I pronounce it wrong, here it is. Now here it will take some time if you are using it for the first time, and generate a blank canvas for you that you can use to design your sketches. You can see I can select multiple tools from here. I can draw things just by I can even crops and use multiple pencil types, multiple shapes, text, and everything I can use from here for free. Once I'm satisfied, I can directly save this to my system just by clicking on this option of export. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.